Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO, Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. It's vacation time. Have you planned your vacation yet? I've planned mine for sure. So remember, before you head out to these far off exotic destinations, you have to take care of your eyes also while you're on a vacation. So you should have an essential travel kit that you carry with you. What do you put in your travel kit for your eye care? Carry one antibiotic drop in case your eyes get infected or there's sticky discharge coming from it. Carry your cooling drops because you will be out all day. You'll be uploading now all the time. So you need cooling drops. If you're going to a sunny location, definitely a must have. Carry your sunglasses, 2-3 different varieties. Pictures bhi अच्छे आएंगे and you will not be hit with the glare of the sun. If you're allergic to anything, carry your anti-allergic drops. You're going to swim, so carry your swimming goggles for sure. Alright? Sunscreen you're taking anyways. Carry a nice hat, a wide brimmed hat or a cap, so that it doesn't allow too much light entering the eye. You're okay to be outdoors all day because there'll be a lot of walking in the sun, right? If you're going to the mountains, you're going to ski, you're going to go to the snow. Sometimes there's a condition called snow blindness. The UV rays are more up above and the ozone layer is lesser. So these UV rays enter your eye and they cause small erosions on the cornea. That takes a long time to heal. So if you want to avoid all that, there are special glasses available. Go to your optical store, a good reputed one, and get these special glasses which are called Crux glasses or anti-glare. Wear them when you go skiing. Don't go skiing without this. Okay? This is about what you do when you reach there. What about that big flight that you're going to take? The transatlantic 22 hour flight that you're going to take? Flights are very tiring because all we do on board is look at our mobile, scan through our albums and think about our itinerary, or else most of us will binge watch TV. घर पे तो TV देखने का time ही नहीं है. So you know already what you're going to watch there. Children will to be in front of the screen all the time. That will tire you out, and these are called red eye flights. Also, you have a jet lag starting right from the time you sit in the plane because time difference हो रहा है. So what you should do when you're in the plane is relax. Think of it as you're in a spa. Mobile switch off. Watch one movie because you can't sleep all the time. Then put some calming music. Wear a nice eye mask or your blinkers and go off to sleep. Catch up on your sleep. Listen to music. Talk to your passenger or whoever you want to. Maybe scan your phone a little bit, but not all the time. Don't drink too much on the flight. Every glass of wine that you drink, top it up with a glass of water or two. You don't want to land up with puffy eyes, dark circles, and a hungover sort of look when you arrive. So follow these rules and have lovely holiday time. Make lots of memories. When you come back, you're back to the same old grind. So relax your eyes also. Unki bhi chutti hai. Okay? So enjoy your vacations. Take care.